friends, welcome back. I'm Christy with Castle and Compass Adventures, and if you've ever wished you could experience Southern California with Disney-level storytelling and white-glove logistics, this is your trip. Today I'm taking you through the first 3 days of the Adventures by Disney Southern California Adventure, where you'll see Hollywood icons, curated film and culture day, and then the moment Disney fans all dream about, the Walt Disney Studios, the archives, Imagineering, and finally checking into Disney's Grand Californian for Disneyland evening. So we'll chat about what the flow feels like, what makes these days special, and a few practical tips so you can picture yourself here, whether you're traveling as a couple, with your friends, or as family. I hope you enjoy. Adventures by Disney is not just a tour, it's a curated travel experience with an elevated rhythm. Transportation is coordinated, key meals are included, and the experiences are designed to feel seamless, like you're moving through Southern California with a backstage pass and a concierge team. It's the kind of trip where you're not just spending the day navigating, negotiating, or second-guessing your plan, you're just simply present. Hey everyone, this is Christy, Castle and Compass Adventures. We are on day one of our Adventures by Disney Southern California adventure, and I checked into the Lowe's Hotel yesterday. I'd like to get here a day before, getting ready to meet our guides, our ABD guides. We have two on this trip, and they usually get in right around 9:30 or so getting ready to head down to the lobby. This morning, I already took a stroll down Hollywood Boulevard, walked down the Walk of Fame, and checked out the Chinese Theater. So it's been an eventful morning so far, and so far the Lowe's has been great. Nice room, wonderful staff, and there's everything you need is nearby. So there's a Walgreens, there's a CVS, there's a Target. In case you forgot anything, you can get some snacks there. Everything's a little bit more expensive as you would expect, but it's definitely cheaper than buying stuff in the hotel. So anyway, I'm really excited to get started. Where we check in today, then we can tour on our own, and then we have our welcome dinner tonight. So excited, and I'll be checking in at least once a day to give you the rundown and posting a video about it. So I hope you enjoy. Hey everyone, Christy here. It is day 2 of the ABD California, and I am so excited to head out today and tour around Hollywood and check out some of the sites here downtown. So stay tuned for more exciting events in day 2, but here you have the beautiful shot of the hills there, and we had a lovely dinner last night, lovely welcome dinner, and met our guides, Michael and Lori. They are amazing, and can't wait to spend the day with them. So stay tuned. Day 2 begins with breakfast at the hotel, and then you step into a privately guided Hollywood experience. Hollywood can be loud, chaotic, and touristy, or it can be curated, where someone knows the story and helps you see the city with context and confidence. And today you'll hit classic landmarks like the El Capitan Theater, the TCL Chinese Theater, and the Hollywood Walk of Fame. But the difference is you're not wandering, you're being led through the narrative. Lunch is at Tam O'Shanter, and if you appreciate Disney history, this is one of those quietly iconic stops. It's known as Walt's favorite. There's something special about dining in a place where the atmosphere still feels classic, almost like time slows down for a moment. And then after lunch, the itinerary includes a visit to the Academy Museum, and I love this choice because it's not just Hollywood glamour, it's the artistry of storytelling, the design, the history, and the way culture gets shaped by what we put on the screen. And this is when the trip starts to feel like it has a lot of depth. It's not about checking boxes, it's about experiencing Southern California through the lens of creativity. And that's a very Disney way to travel. Day 3 is the day Disney fans will remember forever. You'll visit the Walt Disney Studios, including the Walt Disney Archives. And this is where the trip shifts from just Southern California to Disney storytelling at its source. It's meaningful, it's immersive, it's the kind of access that on your own you simply can't replicate. then there's Walt Disney Imagineering. And for me, Imagineering is the heart of why Disney is different. It's creativity with discipline, art with engineering, and big dreams with flawless execution. But sorry, no cameras are allowed here, so we just have to go ahead and transition to Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, where I will leave you in this video, and go ahead and check out my next video where we'll go through the next couple days of ABD's Southern California adventure.